ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 56, Calculating Percentages within Reports. Calculated fields can be used to show percentages in reports. In particular, they can show the value of each detail line as a percentage of the report total. Okay, let's try this out. Let's open the PETS database and the percentage sold report. This report contains a record for each sale, including the number of animals sold, and a calculated field in the report footer, let's have a look at that, to show the total number of animals sold. A calculated field can be added to each detail line to show the number sold as a percentage of the total number sold. Okay, let's go into Design View. Click on the calculated sum in the report footer and display its property sheet. The name of this control should be Text 12. From the Design tab in the Control section, use the Text Box button to create a new field at the right of the number sold in the detail area. Now let's click and drag the new label box to the right of the unbound box and enter the text of the total. Adjust the positions as follows. Select the unbound box and within the property sheet click the Data tab. In Control Source, enter the calculation equals, then open square brackets, number sold, close the square brackets, /, which is divide, and then in square brackets text 12. As an aside, if a report has grouped subtotals, percentages can be calculated as a percentage of the group totals instead of as a percentage of the report totals, or they can be placed in the group footer to give group totals as a percentage of report totals. Okay, I'll let you play with that. Now, set the format property to %, Format tab, and then %. Then close the property sheet and switch to Print Preview. The calculated percentage field shows that 9 cats sold in this sale represents 6.87% of the total number of animals sold. Just to let you know, if you didn't complete lesson 39, then the value that's shown here may be 25% rather than 6.87%. Okay, let's save and close the percentage sold report. And then close the database. Okay, so that's the end of lesson 56, Calculating Percentages, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we'll be discussing report headers and footers. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.